Sales Nation, this is a quick and dirty one. Do you want to know how to sell anything to anyone using what we call the reality gap? Then stay tuned. Hi, my name's Will Barron. I'm the founder of Salesman.org, where we help salespeople who sell services crush their quotas. Now, before I teach you how to sell anything to anyone, there's one thing that we need to cover, and that is, what is selling in the first place? So before you can sell anyone anything, you've got to understand what selling is in the first place. And luckily for you and I, it takes about 5 seconds to demonstrate this. Selling is just getting another person to do something that benefits them. Pretty simple, right? So that begs the question then, what's the difference between manipulating someone and selling them? So when you manipulate someone, all you're doing is creating action that benefits you. But when you sell an individual, when you sell them, you're creating action that benefits everyone. And that's all that selling is. You create action, you push a buyer towards doing something that benefits them and you as well. So there we go, with selling defined, what do we need to do then to get people to take action in the first place? Well, let me frame it in a context that you'll definitely understand. When you want to do something, when you want to go from sat on your desk to sprinting out of the door, you make a decision and then you take action, right? Again, dead simple. But when you're trying to sell somebody over here and you're trying to get them to take this action and they don't, well, there's obviously something blocking them in the middle. This something right here that's holding them back from taking action is what we call the reality gap. Now let me explain, because the person you're selling, they are in the current reality. They may be sat on the sofa, they're in the office, they're doing the dishes, whatever it is, they're living in a reality right now. But undoubtedly, because we're all human and we all want to keep moving forward, there is a better, brighter, bigger future reality that everyone has at the back of their mind that they'd like to move towards. In their future reality, they might be rich, they might be slim, they might be less stressed, whatever it is. All these things live in their future reality. And of course, you or I, people who don't need to be sold to do something, can move from our current reality to our future reality. We can make a decision and then we can take action. But people who need to be sold, they have something blocking them right here. And this is what we call the reality gap. This is stopping them going from the current reality where they're sat there, they're living their lives, into the future reality where everything is better for them. Now, this reality gap right here, it could be that they don't know the steps to go from where they are right now to where they want to be. If you're trying to sell a business product or service, it could be that your buyer in their current reality, well, they're doing fine, they're plodding along, and they don't feel like they've got the budget to move forward, to progress, to get onto that next level in their career. So the reality gap here in this instance is budget for training or education. The reality gap, well, it could be made up of essentially infinite issues. And this is what you as a salesperson need to uncover. This is what your whole job is about. This is how you sell anyone anything. You just got to uncover the reality gap and give the buyer an opportunity to break through it. Selling anyone anything is literally as simple as breaking through the reality gap and helping the person go from their current reality to their future reality. And there we have it. Do you agree? Is sales this simple? If you agree, leave a comment below. If you disagree, leave a comment below and let me know. And make sure to click one of the videos that are on the screen right now to continue your sales education.